working professional or frequent traveler? Then let me show you a project that is surrounded with tech park, mall, school, major highway, metro line and even airport. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Bhartiya Garden Estate Phase 3, which is located in Sadahalli North, Bangalore, and the project is developed by Bhartiya Urban Private Limited. And in this teaser, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now, I'm standing on the main entrance. So your land parcel starts from here itself. This will be the main entrance. And once you enter, right, this is the land parcel and the marketing office is right over this side. Now, before starting our video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And this project is spread across 29 acres of massive land parcel consisting of 10 residential towers, out of which 7 towers are already launching 3 towers in phase 3 with 2 basement ground plus 22 floors, having exclusive studio apartment 1 BHK, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Navratna Agrahara Road opposite to Prestige Tech Cloud in Sadahalli North, Bangalore. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So basically I'm standing in front of the main entrance. This will be the main entrance bang on the Navratna Agrahara Road. So this is the Navratna Agrahara Road and this road on the left hand side will take you towards Sadahalli Signal, and right over this side you can have a look at the Prestige Tech Cloud. And this side road will take you towards MSEC Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Sadahalli Junction in just 2 minutes. Campaguda International Airport is 10 minutes away. Even you can connect to upcoming Forum Mall in just 3 minutes, and upcoming Dodajala Metro Station is 5 minutes away from your project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and Bhartiya Garden Estate provides you world-class amenities like a grand clubhouse, the landscape garden, here's the multi-purpose court, basketball court, swimming pool, amphitheater, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So Bhartiya Garden Estate offers you studio apartment 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and even 4.5 BHK premium residencies, where studio apartment is of 559 square feet, 1 BHK is 793 square feet, 1.5 BHK is 1264 square feet, 2 BHK starting from 1115 and goes up to 1176 square feet, 2.5 BHK starting from 1343 and goes up to 1395 square feet. 3 BHK is 1743 square feet to 1842 square feet. 3 BHK loft is 2207 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 2045 to 2052 square feet. And 4.5 BHK is 2586 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. Bhartiya Garden Estate Phase 3 is currently in pre-launch stage and our project EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Bhartiya Garden Estate Phase 3 located in Sadahalli North, Bangalore, a project developed by Bhartiya Urban Private Limited.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.